Hello, and welcome back to another episode of Dirt Path Exploration. Today, we traveled to Chatfield, Minnesota, to take the Lost Creek hiking trail. We started from the Nine Bark Trailhead and did an out-and-back run to just before Bailey's Brothers section of the path. The run ended up being approximately a 2.6-mile hike and took us about 45 minutes to complete. The first portion of the trail brings you along an open plain and a wood, meandering around a property. On the return trip, just past the trailhead, I stumbled upon a turkey and her chicks, which led them to scatter quickly, but I think I was more surprised than they were. After the plains, you take a short switchback trail down into a small forested low area where a creek passes through the trail. From there, you rise back up along a ridge and move amongst the trees before joining a wider path which passes through a more open forested area. The canopy is higher and the underbrush is less claustrophobic as the beginning of the trail. The bugs start to pick up as you once again begin to descend into a valley, this one much larger with a prominent creek. Before you get to the creek, the tree cover clears, long, tall vegetation takes its place. It's a fascinating new habitat that travels through this lowland as you make your way to the creek. This section of the trail is open to the sun, and you'll spend some time here, so I'd advise on bringing sunscreen. As you approach the stream, it is large enough to warrant a wooden bridge, which allows you to cross. I tested it before going across, as it's not in the usual position I'm used to seeing bridges, but being no doubt in a frequently flooded area has affected its placement. After we crossed the bridge, we followed the path along the stream before turning back up a trail. Shortly after this, due to the intensifying bugs, we chose to turn around. It's a wonderful trail, and our lack of preparation in the bug spray area robbed us of further exploration. Lessons learned, I suppose. My favorite part of the trail is as you descend into the first little valley and come to the small creek. It's incredibly peaceful and serene, and it's worth a few moments to enjoy it. The small creek makes a relaxing water sound, and it fills the air around it. And there are just a few stones that act as the path across. The welcome shade and the deep forest feel make you forget that you've come from an open plain just moments before. As such, this is definitely the highlight of the trail for me. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, hit the like and subscribe buttons. Also, don't forget to let us know your favorite trails in your local area.